and gentlemen, this is Azar and Arez Auto. Today I'll be adding a key to a 2004 Toyota Highlander. The customer has a key. I want to make a spare key to show you that this key is not programmed. Start the car, and you can see the immobilizer light blinking. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. So it would be to the programmed Toyota. Automatic selection. Doing a blade key. So let's do an emo scan. Immobilizer system is okay. However, the remote system has more faults. So I'm not programming remote. Let me just see what error code we have in the remote. Please refer to manual. U200, U2100. Okay, so let's just go to add key. Master key verification. Master key is already there. So start. Insert the lane master key and turn the ignition on. The ignition is already on. So remove the key and insert the key to be linked to the ignition. Just insert the key in the off position. Do not turn it to the on position and wait for 75 seconds. So put this key to be lined. I will wait. Meanwhile, you can see the security light blinking. So watch and wait. Now it has stopped blinking. Funny enough, my two set key learning field has stopped blinking. So let me try to start the car with this. The car started. So I don't know why the two set failed. It has actually started the car, and you can see that the security light is off. So this is the key we just learned. So let us start with the owner's key. It's equally started. So This is Azar and Arez Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.